In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams as a system. The goal is to use Teams in a simple, repeatable way, so you can communicate, manage your day, and stay on top of updates without jumping between too many places. Start by opening the Microsoft Teams app. Give it a moment to load so your left sidebar and your recent items appear. From here, go straight to Chat on the far left sidebar. Chat is where private, one-to-one conversations live, and it is the fastest way to reach a colleague directly. At the top of the chat list, click the New Chat icon. It looks like a small square with a pencil. This opens a fresh message window with a To field at the top. Type your colleague's name into the To field, then press Enter to lock it in. Once their name is added, you can begin your private conversation in the message box below. A helpful habit is to keep your first message clear and specific so the other person understands the context right away. Next, move to your schedule by clicking Calendar on the left sidebar. This view helps you treat Teams like a daily hub since it shows the meetings you are expected to attend. Find the meeting you need and click the Scheduled Meeting block. When you open the meeting details, take a quick look at the time and any notes so you join prepared. When it is time to enter, click the Join button in the top right corner. This will bring you into the call flow. At this point, you can proceed into the meeting as usual. Finally, to stay organized and responsive, click the Activity bell on the left. Activity is where Teams collects your latest mentions, replies, and other important notifications. Checking activity regularly helps you catch messages that might not appear in your current chat view, especially when you are part of busy conversations. Use this routine consistently. Chat for direct communication, calendar to navigate your day, and activity to track what needs your attention. That covers everything you need to know.